Hello, I'm Nick.
And I'm Tice.
We're going to be talking to you today about fire whirls and fire tornadoes. So, if you might know that this past summer in California, there have been a lot of wildfires, and so that kind of sparked the inspiration for this project. We chose fire whirls and tornadoes. So, as you know, fire and wildfires make the air very dry, very hot, and that can cause the air to rise, and it creates localized convective lifting. So as you can see here, the air rises up, and as it rises up, it kind of sucks in the air around it, and that can kind of create a vortex. And, well, that combined with very turbulent winds can create a vortex. And so that's usually the main ingredients that can create a fire whirl. And, of course, combined in the middle of a wildfire, that's what gives you the tornado effect. And in more extreme cases, you'll see fire tornadoes, which Tyus will talk about in just a moment. So, as you can see in our demo here, this is how it looks when you really get it spinning. You can see the mesh around the outside is supposed to simulate the turbulent winds. So as it spins and the air goes through the tiny holes in the mesh, it kind of shakes and it allows for it to create that nice vortex, which gets a good spin. So, and now, Tyus, if you'd like to talk a little bit about more extreme cases, we actually get, instead of fire whirls, fire tornadoes.
So, during a wildfire, that's good. During a wildfire, there's a lot of lifting, as we've seen, like in fire whirls, which then causes the hot air to rise up and form clouds. But unlike typical clouds, it forms a new type of cloud called flammagenitus clouds, which are very hot clouds, and the largest of which is pyrocumulonimbus clouds. Pyrocumulonimbus clouds can lead to other phenomena like dry lightning, which is lightning without any rain. But as you may have heard in the other videos, one of the other things that cumulonimbus and by extent pyrocumulonimbus clouds can form is tornadoes. Now if you get one of these tornadoes in the middle of a wildfire with very hot tornado that then draws in more debris and pieces of flaming debris, it can almost set the entire tornado on fire. And these are very dangerous. They're just like tornadoes, they move just as fast and are just as destructive, but are also on pardon me, are also on fire. Thanks for listening. I've been Tyus.
And I've been Nick.